When you think about managing complex server infrastructure, you probably picture, mission control, right? Multiple glowing monitors, a heavy desk, endless cables.
Yeah, it's a very stationary concept.
Exactly. But what if you could just untether that entirely?
Hmm.
As always, I was scrolling through the AI Agent Store.ai website page, like I do, to find tools that actually push the envelope for you. And today we are focusing on an Android app called TealKit.
Right.
So, okay, let's unpack this because we're looking at how mobile AI is evolving from a basic chatbot into like a hands-free engine for technical professionals.
Yeah, it's a massive shift in how we handle compute on the go. I mean, TealKit's core premise is that it doesn't limit you to just a single AI brain.
Hmm.
Right from your phone, you can seamlessly switch between Google, OpenAI, Anthropic, Mistral, and even run local llama models directly on your device.
Right, and that is like having an entire IT department stuffed into your pocket. You wouldn't hire a master architect just to hammer a single nail.
Definitely not.
With this multi-model approach, TealKit lets you hand a quick, localized task to a smaller model like Mistral just to save time and processing power.
Exactly. You route the right cognitive strength to the right problem. And what's fascinating here is it's built to render things like mermaid diagrams. So instead of just staring at lines of code, you can actually visualize complex flowcharts of your architecture right there on your phone screen.
Oh, wow. That is super handy. But having access to 5 different AI brains is great for answering questions, sure. But theory is useless if you're stuck on a train and your server suddenly crashes.
Yeah, that's the real test.
So let's look at what these models can actually do independently.
Right, and that autonomy is driven by giving the app direct SSH and SFTP access. For anyone less technical listening, SSH gives you secure, direct command line control over a server, while SFTP handles direct file transfers between systems.
And honestly, here's where it gets really interesting and where my alarm bells immediately go off. Wait, handing an AI on my Android phone direct SSH access to execute commands on my Linux servers while I'm on public transit.
It sounds risky, right?
It feels like a recipe for taking down my entire production environment. I mean, how is that not completely terrifying?
Oh, it's a massive leap of trust, for sure. It is completely natural to feel apprehensive about giving an AI the literal keys to execute commands on your live servers. But if we connect this to the bigger picture, this is exactly why TealKit is positioned strictly for power users.
Right. It's not for beginners making typos.
Exactly. It doesn't just blindly guess and type commands in real time. It's orchestrating multi-step workflows. Because it combines SSH for triggering commands and SFTP to safely move configuration files, it can run scheduled automations autonomously without needing, constant input from you.
Oh, I see. So it's not maintaining some fragile open terminal connection that drops the second my cell signal dies in a tunnel.
Precisely.
Huh.
It packages the workflow, triggers the secure execution, and then just steps back. You aren't babysitting a progress bar. The app actively executes the work on the server side and simply pings you with a notification when the job is fully complete.
That makes so much more sense. It's doing the heavy lifting without constant supervision, creating a truly mobile AI workspace. Complex system administration is happening directly from an Android device right in your pocket.
Which leaves us with a critical question to consider. If a closed-source mobile app can autonomously execute multi-step server configurations and scripts while you sleep, how long until the traditional desktop workstation becomes entirely obsolete for technical professionals?
Wow, yeah. It really makes you look at that heavy desk and those glowing monitors a bit differently, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Well, if you want to explore this yourself, you can check out the page directly at AIAgentStore.ai. Thank you for rating the podcast. We will catch you next time.